Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. In this episode I am talking how to switch OpenClaw large language model from API key to OAuth. Here you have ChatGPT. Go to the ChatGPT, click on the Codex on the left side. Then Codex opens and click on Analytics. Then you can see the current usage limits via OAuth. And you can use it later, that page. So I run this command, OpenClaw onboard minus auth choice and Codex. And unfortunately, this command requires that it has onboarding in the command, so it is running you through these steps, which are not related to large language model selection, but are necessary to go through because onboarding is in it. Here the steps are related to the, and already here arrived to the place where there is this link to get OAuth token. So you copy the whole link, as you can see, the whole link has to be copied, not just one line. You go then with this link to the browser where you have been where you have to, unfortunately, the cookie is not accepted. You have to log in again, enter the username, enter the password, and then there is Multi-Factor Authentication, which is either with authentication app or with email. So I pick email so it is easier. And the code from the email you enter here. And I copied it from the email, paste it here, continue. And now you can sign in to Codex with ChatGPT. So your OpenClaw is getting the trying to sign in. And it is redirecting to this localhost. So this you need now to copy this redirection link to OpenClaw. So you go to the address bar of the browser, Safari in this case, and go to the OpenClaw and copy this URL that has the required information here. Once you copy it, the OAuth token is fetched and it is switched to the new model. And now you can see it continues this onboarding stuff, unfortunately, because the command line had onboarding, but we wanted to change on a large language model, but we still have to go through this onboarding stuff. And now web search, onboarding, it's as I said, it's not needed. So I skip for now. Search provider selection, but because of the command that it had this onboarding in the command line, you are forced to go through the steps of onboarding process of OpenClaw that are also not related to a large language model. In this case, it was skills and also hooks that also I'm skipping for now here, because we are focusing here only on large language model selection from API token to OAuth token. And now you see that gateway is restarting, the OpenClaw gateway is restarting, and now it wants to hatch. I'm also skipping it. I say I don't need it, and there is running some checks. OpenClaw is running some checks, and soon we will go back to the command line of the Linux where it is running. It takes some time. Hold on. Now it's still running. It is very slow. Linux machine in data center only for testing. and this is not the one where that I 24 hours a day, every day I'm running. This is just for testing, and so that's why I picked very slow a machine with few cores, a few memory, but it's still working. Oh, and now we are in command line, and you can see that onboarding is complete. So all the steps it went to all the steps, but we needed only large language model selection. So now we are checking what model is currently picked. At the beginning it was OpenRata/free, and now you can see it switched to the OpenAI Codex GPT 5.5, which is currently the latest, but it is not using API token. It is using OAuth, meaning that you don't have to pay for usage, only the usage is throttled. And now I'm checking whether it is working by asking the question, what is the capital of Korea? It properly answered, as you can see here. And now also I would like to check what model it has by asking it here. I just want to do everything here, not to use Telegram or WhatsApp. I am just using it in the Unix, in the Linux command line, but by sending messages to the large language model via command line. And it is again running, and the answer is OpenAI -codex/GPT -5.5. So you see, and the authentication is OAuth. This is what you wanted to achieve, to have OAuth, and we have achieved it. So this is the way how to achieve it. And once again, we are checking the model with this command, OpenClaw model's status, and you can see here that the codex is using the OAuth, and you see that now we don't have to pay for API. We can simply use the subscription, your ChatGPT subscription. And here you can see a Telegram message that you are getting when you type /status. And you see here usage. You can control also usage, how much it was used. And in this is the 5-hour usage and week usage. And it is resetting. So you don't worry about API token usage, but you don't have to pay like thousands or something. You pay your subscription, your Pro subscription or your Plus subscription, and you don't pay anything more. And you can set it up so that you pay more, but in this situation you pay only your flat rate, and if it is using too much, then there will be break in operation. But you can control with /status in your Telegram how much you can see how much usage is already used up given time, like 5 hours and week, and this is resetting. Beautiful. That's beautiful because it is also showing. It is also showing when it is resetting. So like it's resetting in 4 hours, it's resetting in 6 days, and you can see, and you can control your situation, and you don't have to pay for API. And to optimize, remember to add this 2 lines in the heartbeat below the 1 minute line. In my case, there are 2 lines, and remember to add these 2 lines to your configuration file, OpenClaw file, and in this way your usage will be optimized and minimal. And that's it. So thank you for listening and watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I will answer all your questions. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and give a like if you like this content. Once again, thanks a lot.